First year students, our first topic is set theory. So first of all we know what is set. We discuss about set. तो ध्यान से देखना, set means what? Set means collection of well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined distinct objects. Clear? Means what? इसका मतलब क्या है? ध्यान से देखो. Collection of well-defined distinct objects. Okay, and this definition is given by the mathematician George Cantor. Clear? George Cantor, actually he was a Russian, but he studied in German. That's why we call German mathematician. Clear? He studied on set in the year 1845 to 1918. Clear? So, according to George Cantor, set means well-defined collection of objects. Clear? So, set is well-defined. The set is represented by this symbol. Clear? Second bracket. And elements are generally in small letters. Suppose A, B, C, D. Clear? E, F, etc. So, this is what collection of well-defined distinct objects. Distinct means what? One element cannot be repeated. It is one element whose entry is only one time. See, एक बार ही entry होगा, not more than one. This is called distinct. और well-defined means what? Well-defined का मतलब क्या है? जैसे टी सेट, डाइनिंग सेट, सोफा सेट, it is well-defined. टी सेट मतलब कितना सर? 6 कप एंड 6 प्लेट. एक शॉप में जाके मैंने बोला मुझे एक टी शर्ट चाहिए. दैट मीन्स ही गिव्स 6 कप एंड 6 प्लेट. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, द एलिमेंट्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉल लेटर्स. एलिमेंट को हम लोग स्मॉल लेटर से रिप्रेजेंट करता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट, एंड द सेट इज जनरली रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कैपिटल लेटर. सेट इज जनरली रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय व्हाट? कैपिटल लेटर. ठीक है? Say A, B or C, whatever it may be. And elements are represented by small letters. Clear? Okay. For example, if a set capital A contains say A many elements, say A and B, how many elements? 2 elements. And elements are separated by comma. Element को हम लोग को क्या करना है सर? Separated by comma. Now, here A and B, the elements in which set? A set. Then we write A belongs to A. That is what? This is called belongs to. This is called what? Belongs to. यानी A belongs to A means what? A किसके अंदर है? A के अंदर. A कार भितरे आछे, set A भितरे आछे. Clear? Next, suppose here C. C जो C element belongs in A? Not. So we write in that way. Not means cut देना है. Not. Not belongs to A. So this symbol is called what? Not belongs to A. It is what? Belongs to A. तो यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, मन दिया देखो, the element A कुताय आछे? A ते आछे. A कहाँ पे है? Small A कहाँ पे है? Set capital A में है. So we write A belongs to A. Clear? Here C does not belongs to A. C यहाँ पे है क्या? नहीं है. C एखाने आछे? नहीं. So we write C does not belongs to A. Clear? So we get a symbol. This is called what? Belongs to, and this is called not belongs to. Okay? So that is what is set? Set का मतलब क्या है? Set माने कि set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. What is called distinct? That means as element cannot be repeated. Clear? जैसे मैंने लिखा A equals to suppose 1 2 3 1. So this is a set? No. Why not? Because the element 1 repeated 2 times, which is not possible. नहीं होगा. Now it is a set. Yes. Now it is a set because elements are distinct. Clear? Okay. Next, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ए सेट. सेट को हम लोग दो तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करता है सर. আমরা দুইভাবে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করতে পারি. ফার্স্ট ওয়ান রোস্টার মেথড और টেবুলার মেথড. or ordinary name is listed method. Clear? Second one is set builder method or rule method. Clear? So first one is what? Roster method or tabular method or ordinary listed method. ठीक है? से मम्मी ने बोला था चावल लाओ, दाल लाओ, सब्जी लाओ, बेसन लाओ, से सब बोल दो, सोयाबीन लाओ. So ये जो हम लोग लिख के देता है सर, ये जो लिखा देते हैं ये की, this is called list. This is called list. This is the roster method or tabular method or listed method. Clear? So listed method means what? The elements are listed. The elements are what? Listed. And enclosed by which bracket? Second bracket. So this is called set. Collection of well-defined objects. For example, set of vowels in English alphabet. Set of vowels in English alphabet. So we write A, comma E, comma I, comma U, O, comma U. And we enclosed by what? Called in second bracket. Clear? So this is what? Well defined, but which? And set is suppose represented by capital letter small a. The A कौन सा method? This is called tabular method or roster method or listed method. So what do you mean by roster method? Roster method means that the elements are listed. The elements are listed. Clear? That's why it is also called listed method. Okay. Next method is what? Set builder method or rule method. Clear? In this method, the set is represented by specifying the common property. Specifying the common property. जैसे देखो, suppose set का नाम ये x, such that this symbol is called what? Such that, or we can write in that way. इसका मीनिंग क्या है बोलो? इधर माने कि such that. Clear? तो a equals to set के अंदर x such that. So p of x such that what? P of x. तो इसका मतलब क्या देखो? What is x? X is an element. What is p of x? बोलो. P of x stands for common property. Px stands for what? Common property. जैसे देखो example देखो. Suppose we write a set is given, suppose x such that x lies between say 3 to 8, comma x belongs to natural number. So I repeat, set A equals to x such that x lies between 3 to 8, including 3 and 8 equal is there, where x is what? Natural number. माने कि इसका मतलब क्या है बोलो? What is it? In tabular method we can write what? X will be what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is which method? Tabular. And this one rule method or set builder method. Set builder method में क्या है? We give a significance, we give a single correct letter and which represent the common property. Clear? For example, जैसे मैंने लिखा देखो, another example, say set x. What is x? X is a set of vowels in English alphabet. Set of vowels in English alphabet. मतलब क्या बोलो? A, E, I, O, U. Clear? Another example में इस मेथड का और एक एग्जांपल देखो. सपोज मुझे लिखना है नेचुरल नंबर 1, 2, 3 इसको set builder method. Say A equals to x such that x is a what? Natural number. X is a what? Natural number. So which method this one? This one is rule method. And that one is set builder method. Here, what is called tabular method or listed method. Clear? So there are two methods of representing set. One is called tabular method, another is called roster method, or you can say set builder method. Clear? Okay. So next is what? Finite set and infinite set. Finite set means what? Those set whose elements are countable. Those set in which the elements are countable. मतलब क्या है? माने कि suppose A is a set. Here we write English alphabet A, E, I, English alphabet A, B, C, D, dot, 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 E, F, G, dot, 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 dot. Okay, last is what? Z. Clear? So here the elements are countable. 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. How many English alphabet? 20. How many? Clear? Okay. Next, say set of vowels A, B, C, D. Sorry, set of vowels A, E, I, O, U. Clear? So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there. It is countable. So we write x such that x is natural number, x less than 100, comma x belongs to natural number. So this is finite set or infinite? Finite set, because the elements are countable. Up to कहाँ तक जाना है? 1, 2, 3 dot dot up to 99. So it is countable. So it is called finite set. So finite set means what? The elements are countable. That is called finite set. Next is infinite set. What do you mean by infinite set? That is the elements are not countable. That is the elements are not countable. For example, x such that x is a natural number. X is a what? Natural number. So the set A is a what? Set of natural number. So natural number is countable or uncountable? Uncountable, because there is no end. 1, 2, 3, 1,000, 1 lakh, 1 crore and so on. There is no end. So it is which kind of set? Infinite set. Clear? So finite set means countable, infinite set means uncountable. Clear? Okay. Null set and next null set and singleton set. Null set means there is no any element. There is no any element in the set, and it is represented by 5. And it is represented by 5. So null set is represented by what? 5. P-H-I, 5. Greek letter 5. 5 means there is no any element. For example, suppose A is a set such that x less than 1, comma x belongs to natural number. A कौन सा method? Set builder method. So 1 से छोटा, 1 থেকে ছোট, any natural number, 1 থেকে ছোট কি 0. So 0 is not a natural number. It is a whole number. So this set is what? Null set, and it is represented by 5. And it is represented by 5. Clear? So null set means there is no any elements between among the set. Next, another example, the set of prime ministers in India before 2000, say 2000. No, sorry. Lady president in India. Lady president in India before 2000. The 2000 से पहले 2000 एর आगे there is no any president in India, and after that there is one president. Clear? So it is also a null set. So we say lady president in India up to 2000. So there is no president. So it is what? Empty set. Clear? Next, another example. Say x is a number such that x less than 2, comma x is a prime number. X is a what? Prime number. So first prime number is what? 2. उसके पहले एटार आगे कोनो prime number नहीं. There is no any prime number less than 2. So it is also a null set. Clear? Next is what? Singleton set. Singleton set means what? There is only one element. There is only one element. So singleton set. देखो x such that x lies between 1 and say 3, comma x is a prime number. X is a what? Prime number. मौलिक संख्या बांग्लाते बोले prime number. तो 1 और 3 के बीच में कौन सा prime number है सर? 2. How many? Only 1. So it is which set? Example of singleton set. Or we give another example. Lady president in India. Lady president in India from 1945 to 47 to 2020. Only one Pratibha Patil. So it is a singleton set. Clear? Clear? Okay? Okay. Next, equivalent sets. Next is what? Equivalent sets. So two sets A and B are said to be equal. These two sets are equivalent. The two sets A and B are said to be equivalent if the number of elements in A equals to number of elements in what? B. अगर A का एलिमेंट, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन A का एलिमेंट और B का एलिमेंट का नंबर इक्वल, देन इट इज कॉल्ड इक्विवेलेंट सेट. इसमें अगर 4 मैंगो है, 4 मैंगो, और इसमें अगर 4 से टोमेटो और से another से बुक्स, से व्हाट? बुक्स 1 2 3 4. तो यहाँ पे 4 मैंगो, सेट A contains 4 mangoes and set B contains 4 books. मैंगो और बुक, two different things, but elements 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So these two sets are called equivalent sets. These two sets are called equivalent sets. Clear? Next, equal sets. Next is what? Equal set. Equal set. So equivalent means number same, number of elements in A, number of elements in A equals to number of elements in B. Then that set is called equivalent. इसमें 4 मैंगो, इसमें 4 बुक्स. Element things are different, but quantity are same. That's why it is called equivalent set. But in equal set, both cases are possible. A and B are said to be equal when number of A and number of B equal, that is they are equivalent, and elements are also same. And elements are also same, but things are also same. Say यहाँ पे A B C D. Set this set contains what? A B C D. And set this set contains suppose B C D A. यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे 4, এখানে 4, এখানে 4, এবং A A B B C C D D. Position उल्टा पलटा হলে অসুবিধা নেই. Position উল্টা পলটা no problem, but elements must be equal. So this is called equal sets. This is called equal sets. Means what? All equal sets are equivalent because elements same. Number same. So all equal sets are what? Equivalent. All equal sets are called equivalent, but all equivalent sets are not equal. Clear? Okay. Next, subset. This is very important. Subset. Subset means what? A set capital A is said to be the subset of B if every element of capital A is an element of B and we write A subset of B. And we write what? A subset of B. Read as A is a subset of B. Okay. So subset means what? A set A is said to be the subset of B means what? Every element of A is an element of B. And we write A. I repeat this symbol. Subset का symbol A है sir. A subset of B. Clear? And we write A is a subset of B. Clear? Next. Now elaboration. इसका अच्छा से समझो सर. इतना easy नहीं है. देखो. ये तो सुझाना है. Suppose A contains elements A, B, C, okay, and set B contains elements A, B, D, C. ठीक है? Here we see the elements. How many elements in A? 3 elements. How many elements in B? 4. So A contained in B. Set A का element देखो A, B, B, C, C. ऑल द एलिमेंट, हर एलिमेंट ए का, सेट ए का किसके अंदर है? बी के अंदर है. सब एलिमेंट गुला एर सब एलिमेंट गुला কোথায় আছে? বি তে আছে. সো এ কার ভিতরে? এর एलिमेंट गुला बी এর ভিতরে. क्लियर? सो देन वी से ए इज ए सबसेट ऑफ बी. ए का हर एलिमेंट कहां पे है सर? बी पे है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड सबसेट. सो हियर वी से ए सबसेट ऑफ बी. क्लियर? क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, सपोज यहां पे सी नहीं है सर. सपोज हियर एल इज देयर. तो ए ओके, बी इसमें है, सी इसमें है नहीं है. सो ए नॉट ए सबसेट ऑफ बी. सो ए नॉट ए सबसेट ऑफ बी. रीजन बोलो. बिकॉज व्हाई? सी डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू सेट बी. सी डज नॉट बिलोंग्स इन सेट बी. क्लियर? तो ए सबसेट ऑफ बी मतलब क्या बोलो? अगर माने कि ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए सेट ए কোথায় আছে? कहां पे है? बी में. ऑल द एलिमेंट ए और ए क्या है सर? बी. ए का हर एलिमेंट कहां पे है? बी पे है. এর সব এলিমেন্টগুলো কোথায় আছে b তে then we said that a subset of b अगर एक भी नहीं है तो काट दो काट माने कि not a subset of b ओके ओके नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो another example here how many sets 3 different sets a contains 3 b contains 4 and c contains 6 elements okay तो अभी देखो all the elements of a का एलिमेंट b में है चेक करो a belongs to okay b है क्या नहीं है so a not a subset of b why because a ठीक আছে b a है b नहीं है so because what b does not belongs in set b so here we see that a and b are not a is not a subset of b a is not a subset of b clear because c b में sorry कौन सा नहीं है b small b does not belongs in set capital B clear next a b में नहीं है a c में है क्या देखो तो a b b c c okay so a का हर एलिमेंट कहां पे है सर b में so a is a subset of बोलो c clear a का एलिमेंट b में मिसिंग है एक so it is not a subset but a का एलिमेंट कहां पे है सर c में है a एलिमेंट का b তে নেই but a एलिमेंट গুলো কোথায় আছে c তে আছে so a is a subset of C but a is not a subset of B. Next B C में कंपेयर करो B and C देखो B and C B का एलिमेंट A C D E yes so B is also a subset of C clear A not a subset of B but a subset of C and B subset of C clear okay next superset तो a सबसेट ऑफ b मतलब क्या a का हर एलिमेंट b में है सो a सपोज a छोटा भाई b बड़ा भाई a छोटा भाई b बड़ा भाई এর সব এলিমেন্ট কোথায় আছে b তে আছে a का हर एलिमेंट कहां पे है b में है ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ a बिलोंग्स इन b क्लियर तो यहां पे बड़ा कौन है b दैट इज वी राइट देन वी राइट a सबसेट ऑफ b a b का छोटा भाई तो b a का क्या होगा बड़ा भाई So we write B superset of A. If A subset of B, then we also say that B superset of A. A B का छोटा भाई तो B A का क्या बड़ा भाई super. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. So another example. In other way, A subset of B. A B का A का एलिमेंट कहाँ पे है B पे है A का एलिमेंट कहाँ पे है B पे है All the elements of A belongs in B. এর এলিমেন্ট গুলো কোথায় আছে B তে আছে Then, if x belongs to A, मतलब एलिमेंट x कहां पे है A में है तो कहां पे मिलेगा उसको B में मिलेगा A सबसेट ऑफ B मतलब A का हर एलिमेंट B में है तो x अभी कहां पे है A में है तो कहां पे मिलेगा वो B पे मिलेगा तो x belongs to A मतलब x belongs to B सपोज देखो A सबसेट ऑफ B और A का एलिमेंट सपोज 1 2 3 तो A 1 2 3 कहां पे मिलेगा A 1 2 3 কোথায় পাবে এই 1 2 3 আমরা কোথায় পাবো বলো b তে this also belongs to what element 1 belongs to b element 2 belongs to b element 3 belongs to b clear तो if a subset of b then a का हर एलिमेंट b में এর সব एलिमेंट কোথায় পাবে b তে পাবে clear or not clear okay another example Let A set A contains elements 1 2 3 set B contains elements 2 3 4 5 and set C contains elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ठीक है अभी देखो A का एलिमेंट 1 2 3 2 3 is present but 1 is missing so A not a subset of B A not a subset of B clear next A not a subset of B why because the element 1 in A does not in B समझ में आ गया सर क्लियर सिमिलरली A का एलिमेंट 1 2 3 C में है so what A is a subset of C because all the elements of A in set C ठीक है B का एलिमेंट 2 3 4 5 belongs so B is also a subset of C clear okay next proper subset very confusing proper subset and subset a non-empty set capital A is said to be proper subset of B if A is a subset of B but A not equals to B मतलब क्या है सर व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस ऑफ सबसेट एंड सेट? ध्यान से समझना सर, बुक में नहीं लिखेगा, এটা বইয়ে পাবে না, আমি বুঝাই। Suppose A is a set contains element 1 2 3 and set B contains say 1 2 3 4. Clear? So here all the elements of A belongs to B. All the elements of A belongs to B means what? A subset of B. All the elements of A belongs in what? B. So A is a subset of B. But यहाँ पे कितना एलिमेंट? 3। এখানে কয়টা এলিমেंट? 3। এখানে কয়টা এলিমেंट? 4। इसमें ज्यादा है। But A and B are not equal. But A and B are not equal. तो A subset of B, but A not equals to B. Then we can say A is a proper, सचमुच का छोटा, proper subset of B. Means what? Number of elements in A must be greater than number of elements in B. That is what? That is number of elements in A must be greater than number of elements in B. Elements in A less than number of elements in B. Clear or not? Clear. So what is the basic difference of subsets and set? Subsets means it may be equal, it may not be equal, and proper means it must not be equal. Clear? But all the elements of A belongs in B, and B is the element in B more than elements in A. Clear? Okay. Next, power set. Power set means what? Set containing all the subsets of a given set. मतलब एक सेट में जितना सबसेट होगा उसको कलेक्ट, तार कलेक्शन द्वारा की बोले पावर सेट ऑफ ए, एंड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय P of A. फॉर एग्जांपल, अच्छा से समझना इसको। फॉर एग्जांपल, a set contains elements suppose A and B. ठीक है? Then power set of A will be what? Collection of all the subsets in A. तो फर्स्ट पहला कोई भी सेट का पहला सबसेट क्या होता है? नल सेट। যে কোনো সেটের প্রথম সাবসেট, ইউনিভার্সাল সাবসেট ইজ হোয়াট? 5. एनी सेट contain 5 null set. Then single एक एक करके तोड़ो, A B and itself AB. So how many subsets? 1 2 3 4. Clear? Say if set A contains 3 elements A B C, then how many? Then power of subsets will be what? First of all what? 5. Then A, then singleton, then B, then C, then AB, then AC, then ABC, BC and itself ABC. Clear? So how many subsets? इसमें कितना सर? 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, इसमें कितना? 8. तो A set contains 2 elements, then you get 4 subsets, and if set A contains 3 elements, then you get 8 subsets. Clear? Okay. Note, 5 means what? Empty set, null set. So power set of empty set is what? Set 5. It is only one subset. Clear? So any null set contains how? Then power set of null set is what? Set 5. It is how many elements in power? How many subset in null set? 1. How many? 1. That is 2 to the power. P of 5. Power set of null set is what? Set 5. That is how many? 1. Set it within this bracket. If you dot, that means an element. Clear? Be careful. Next, suppose A has 2 elements. A and B. तो कितना subset? How many subsets? बोलो. Power set of A will be what? 5 singleton AB and then itself AB. So 1 2 3 4. That is formula. 2 to the power how many elements? 2 4. Here 2 to the power. Here 2 to the power how many elements? 5 minus 0. That is what? 1. Is 1. Clear? तो देखो, set contains A B C D. How many elements? 4 elements. Then how many number of subsets in A? Number of subsets subsets in A equals to what? 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements 4. That is 16 subsets. That is how many subsets in A? There are 16 subsets of A, which includes phi and itself. Phi and which includes what? Which includes what? Phi null set and itself. Clear or not? तो कोई भी सेट अपने आप में क्या है? सबसेट. ए नल सेट इज ए सबसेट ऑफ एनी सेट. पूरा क्लियर? ओके. नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स इन ए इक्वल्स टू 16. ध्यान से देखना. फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट? 2 to the power n. Next, very be careful. A equals to AB. Then number of subsets. Number of what? Subsets of A. R क्या क्या बोलो? Null set. एक एक करके सिंगल तोड़ के बोलो. A, B और itself. तो कितना हुआ सर? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2 to the power how many elements? 2, 4. So if a set contains 2 elements, then how many subsets? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Clear? तो पावर सेट पे कैसे लिखना होगा? अगर बोला सेट containing all the subsets. अभी ये क्या हो गया? Now these are elements. These are elements of power set पे. Elements of power set पे. Clear? So the number of, be careful, the number of proper subsets. The number of what? Proper subsets. Proper subset of A are. बोलो. Proper मतलब एक कम होगा. कौन सा नहीं होगा? itself नहीं होगा. तो इसमें क्या क्या होगा? बोलो. phi, A, B and खत्म. itself A नहीं आएगा. That means what? A is a proper subset of B means what? A not equals to B. तो इसमें B itself नहीं आएगा. A that means what? A ना? A proper set में नहीं आएगा. Then what will be the answer? Formula क्या होगा? बोलो. Formula number of subsets in A. Formula बोलो. If A contains m elements. If A contains कितना elements? n elements. तो the number of subsets of A are कितना होगा? बोल equals to what? 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n. And number of proper subsets. Proper subsets of A कितना होगा? बोलो 2 to the power n. लेकिन कौन सा माइनस होगा? itself माने -1. समझ में आ गया? Another example. A contains elements A, B, C. Then how many subsets? 2 to the power 3. How many proper subsets? 2 to the power 3 minus 1. यानी ये कितना? 8 और लेकिन ये कितना? 7. क्लियर? ओके. तो आज यहाँ तक ही रहेगा सर. नेक्स्ट हम लोग कंटिन्यू करना है. बट होमवर्क इज गिवन. होमवर्क फर्स्ट चैप्टर 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 बेसिक ए खुद ट्राई करना है. अगर कोई डाउट है मुझसे पूछो. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसको कंटिन्यू करना है. বাট जितना तक पढ़ाया যতটা আমি পড়াইছি এটা মন দিয়ে চেষ্টা করো বুঝার. যদি কোনো প্রবলেম হয় সেন্ড এসএমএস, আমি এটার আনসার দেব. ঠিক আছে? আর just to do the homework 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. This is your first class. ये तुम लोग का पहला क्लास है. So इतना तक just basic idea. Then we continue from next day. Clear? Thank you.